Hey, what's up guys, Michael here with a quick video. If you are a Nintendo fan or a Game Boy fan, look what I found on Amazon. Tell me if this is not cool. So basically this is a neon sign Game Boy. Now what I like about this neon sign is that it's a little bit different, because normally when you have a neon sign it has that see-through plastic. This one it doesn't. This one actually they gave you this kind of like grayish, I don't know what this is, if it's a PVC material that they use, and it gave you this thickness, which is really cool. So it gives you the color of the original Game Boy, the screen, the green color. So let me show you what it looks like when you turn it on. Here we go. All right, and on 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now tell me if that is not cool. So if you want to make it a little bit brighter, you can do that as well. So now for purposes of the video, I'm lowering to a lower brightness so you guys can appreciate the details. So like any neon sign, this one you can hang on the wall, and also it includes a stand. So if you want to display this on a shelf, you can do that as well, which is really cool. So there's two ways that you can connect this to, using your cell phone adapter, or you can connect this to a power bank battery. And I think that's probably the way to go, because this will last you, even if you use a battery, a power battery bank, it will last you for a long time. And plus it gives you a little bit more freedom, so you can hang this pretty much anywhere you want to. Anyways, I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are interested, as always, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this product. If you use that link, it helps me out a little bit here on the channel and it's greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys next time. Take care guys, bye.